Hi, welcome to Part 4 of WebNIC SSL WHMCS Module Installation Guideline video. In this part, we will cover how to pre-launch the products before the official launch or publish. The objective is to help you to confirm all the product's details and prices are correct first, before letting your customers purchase your products. Let's start now! We are now on the WHMCS homepage. If you have completed the steps in Part 1 till Part 3, your newly added product group should appear under the Store tab in the top menu bar. Click it to bring you to the products listing page. To set this page as pre-launch, you need to go to your WHMCS admin page. Then, go to the Products/Services page as shown. Look for the WebNIC SSL product group and click its setting icon. On this page, scroll down and find the Hidden Option field. Tick the box and click Save Changes. Let's return to the WHMCS front-end side. Refresh the page or go to your home page. Mouse over the Store tab. You'll see that the product group has disappeared, which means you have successfully hidden it. To view the product page now, you need to return to your WHMCS admin dashboard. Then, click the Product Group Setting button and copy the link in Direct Cart Link. On your browser address bar, paste the copied link and replace the end of your full WHMCS site URL. Here's the products listing page for you to check all WebNIC SSL products. Under the Store tab, this product group still doesn't exist, so you don't need to worry about other users visiting this page. To unhide the products listing page after your checking is done, just return to the product group setting page, untick the hidden option, and click Save Changes. After that, return to the front-end side. Refresh or go to your home page. Mouse over the Store tab, and you'll see the WebNIC SSL product group appear here again. That's all for this video. We hope it is helpful for you. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service or email us.